have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Apple didn't just upgrade the phone, they rewired the whole idea of a smartphone. From a display you can barely see the edges of to a camera that genuinely looks better than your eyes. But when I tested it for a week, something happened that Apple probably didn't want me to see. Design and build. New aerospace titanium 2.0. Lighter body with stronger chassis. Zero bezel, liquid infinity display. Dynamic Island 2.0 now fully animated with 3D depth. But the design isn't the biggest upgrade, wait for the camera test. Display test. 6.9 QD OLED Pro Motion 2.0. 2800 nits brightness. Outdoor visibility challenge. Gaming at 144 Hz. 1-inch primary sensor. 8K 60 FPS with cinema immersion. 10x new tetraprism zoom. AI Ultra Night Mode, true to life colors. Portrait mode 3D depth reconstruction. But the camera did something I didn't expect at all, and it changed my ranking completely. A19 Fusion Pro chipset. Neural Engine Gen 10. Stress tests gaming, rendering, photo export. Thermal performance challenges. This thing barely got warm. I've had coffee cups hotter than this. Battery. 36 hours real usage. 30 minutes charge equals 70%. New graphene cooling layer. Real day test montage. But this is where I found the iPhone's biggest weakness. Remember earlier when I said something happened that Apple wouldn't want me to see? After recording all my camera tests, the AI visual engine automatically adjusted every video, even when I didn't ask it to. It changes exposure and color to make everything look better, even if you don't want that. It's amazing, but a little scary. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, it feeds the algorithm and keeps my tech addiction funded. And if you're new, subscribe, because the iPhone 17 Ultra is already leaking, and oh boy, you're gonna want to see that.